The combined arms sales of the world's largest arms-producing and military services companies, the SIPRI Top 100, were $531 billion in 2020. The combined arms sales by the three Indian companies in the top 100 grew by 1.7%. In 2020, the Indian government announced a phased ban on imports of certain types of military equipment to bolster self-reliance in arms production. 3 companies from India were included in the 2020 ranking. Their aggregated arms sales of $6.5 billion were 1.7% higher in 2020 than in 2019 and accounted for 1.2% of the top 100 total. The arms sales of Hindustan Aeronautics, ranked 42nd, and Bharat Electronics, ranked 66th, increased by 1.5% and 4.0%, respectively. Indian Ordnance Factories, ranked 60th, arms sales rose marginally by 0.2%. Domestic procurement has helped to shield Indian companies against the negative economic consequences of the pandemic. Dr. Manmohan Singh government had started a phased ban of arms imports to support the Indian industries under defence procurement plans which were progressively updated. In 2020, the Indian government announced a phased ban on imports of more than 100 different types of military equipment to support domestic companies and enhance self-reliance in arms production. How does India compare to China? The combined arms sales of the 5 Chinese companies included in the top 100 amounted to an estimated $66.8 billion in 2020, 1.5% more than in 2019. Chinese firms accounted for 13% of total top 100 arms sales in 2020, behind U.S. companies and ahead of companies from the United Kingdom, which made up the third largest share. Other Chinese companies may have been among the top 100 in 2020, but there was insufficient data to include them in the ranking.